Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I thought I'd share this one with you today, and it was a very near miss I had with my car. Literally thought my Tesla was going to get written off at one point. Basically what happened was, if you take a look at the video here, I'm waiting for a customer, and the white van at the back there, the delivery drivers got out of the van, left it in run, and it's gone smashing into the wall. Now that's actually the rear camera, so that's not a forward facing camera, so I didn't actually see this happening behind me whilst I was waiting for the customer. And the only thing I heard was this massive smash. And I looked in my rear view mirror and I saw this door open, nobody in there. So my initial thought was, oh, someone's had a smash and run. And then the second thought was a bit more worrying, that this guy's had a heart attack or something, he's killed over, and you know, and he's gone into a wall. Anyway, I've got out of the vehicle, expecting the worst, and then I see this guy running down the street saying, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I've lost my van, I've lost my van. So yeah, he's delivering a parcel, he's got out, and obviously left it in gear, and it's gone off and driven into the van. But fortunately for me, I was literally going to park in that spot whilst I was waiting for the customer. But no, fortunately for me, it hit the wall and not my vehicle. But one thing for Tesla owners was, my initial reaction was to push the pause button on the, so the jog coming through. My initial reaction was to push the pause button on the camera app. So for those who've got a Tesla will know what I mean. Now, because it was in park, it didn't save the clip. It just paused it. Now, I was fortunate enough to rewind it and record that bit of video on my phone. I recorded the screen there. But had I driven off and then go back to the clip later, I wouldn't have had that footage. So if you are a Tesla owner and you're in a park position and you do need to save a clip on your Tesla, push the car into drive and then push the save the clip. Otherwise it's not going to save. So just a little top tip there for Tesla owners. But yeah, a really close shave. I hope you're enjoying the content. I'm going to try and get a bit more out than what I have been doing. I've been a little bit lazy with it, but if you do enjoy it, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe. And my next video is going to be putting budget tyres on this vehicle. So let's see how that's worked out. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.